terms of rights, we have all the rights we need, let's say, but it is not, in my opinion, not investigative enough. Yeah, it could be like more go deep in the details. And also now related to this situation with Jan Böhmermann, our comedian, is in a symbolic way a quite heavy hit in the face of the whole journalist people, like the whole journalists. Yeah, because they don't feel anymore that the leader of the country, the political leader of the country, is supporting their main right, which they need to publish. Like they need to feel that they are on safe ground when they are somewhere doing work and when they want to become more investigative, you know? And it can't be that our main leader is falling on the knees and saying, yeah, okay, you don't have that right anymore.
Media in Egypt is really improved than in the past, because in the past it was really controlled by the government, by what to say, who to present the country and all that. But after the revolution, no, we had presenters who were being sarcastic about the system and the government and the president. But unfortunately, this person has been dismissed from the country because he's being sarcastic. I'm not saying that. I mean, he was being sarcastic in a very disrespectful way, like what happens in America and in Europe, but they don't accept it in Egypt to be sarcastic about your president or the government, so they dismissed him. But on the other way, the other programs and presenters, the serious ones, they can object what happens in the country and they can say whatever they want. So I guess no, the freedom is not being really controlling our ideas and thoughts. No, it's good.
In Hungary, the media, especially the mass media, is controlled by the government. That means that it is the echoing what the government should or would like to make people believe. It is a government propaganda. The Hungarian national TVs, the Hungarian national radios, many of the newspapers, and obviously the governmental friends who are in the oligarchy of the Prime Minister, they are also buying some commercial TVs. So even commercial TVs are doing government propaganda, and many times they are like racist in their communication. Many times they are like anti-refugees in their communication. Many times they are like over-nationalist, like too nationalist in their communication, and they are operating with the idea of threat. So if you are afraid of something else, you are going to close up. So in Hungary, the mass media is really controlled, so the only solution is to turn towards blogs and social media, because that is not controlled yet, and hopefully in the future it will not be banned.
In fact, the media in Tunisia is become more and more open after the revolution. We have more channels, more radio, more newspapers, and for a journalist is more opportunities also to make a job in the media, and then it show all things that happened on streets, on according to political thing, society, and it's becoming more and more important in Tunisia than before revolution. We had only two channels, same radios and same newspapers before the revolution.
Media in Poland were in a really good condition. They were investigating a lot and they were going to the topic really deep. We had some changes, some differences between different channels, depending on who was in charge of the channel, of course. But we had the public sector, we had the private sector, so from one TV channel to another one you could see a lot and you could really get to know a lot of information. It's just right now a problem with one channel, with the national public channel, which now, together with the new government, changed, and it's now under the leading of the politicians from our party who is leading the country. And that's not good, because they changed completely the format, they changed the journalists there, they changed the presenters there, so they are not there anymore, and they were really good. And that's the public TV, which I actually trusted the most, and now I don't trust it at all. So I really hope that it will change again, like it was before. and let's hope that it will be like this, that those private ones will stay honest and objective, so that we will not have problems that more and more channels are going into the rule of government. So right now it's good, just except of one channel.